Hey everyone, welcome back to Geeky Codes. In this video, we are solving an important SQL interview problem, top 3 salaries per department. If you are preparing for data science or SQL interviews, then this is a must-know problem. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any SQL tutorials and coding puzzles from Geeky Codes. I have also compiled this SQL interview questions series into one playlist, and the link is given in description, so you can check that out and watch other videos in this series. So coming back to our problem, we have been given two tables. First one is employee table and second one is department table. Each employee has a salary and belongs to a department, and our task here is to find all the employees whose salary falls in top 3 unique salaries in their respective departments. So basically we are grouping by department ID first, and then we will sort salaries in descending order, and we will select top 3 unique salaries or the highest salaries per department. So let's look at the example that has been given to us. Here we have for department 1 we have 3 salaries, and the highest salaries are 90k, 90k, 85k and 70k. And so employee earning these values qualify as highest top 3 highest earners. And same logic applies to sales also, like the department ID 2, they have 85 and 80 and 60k salaries. So since the third highest salary is not available or third salary is not available, so it will return only two values. Okay, so let's write the SQL query. First of all, we will select d dot name, that means department name, as department, and e dot name as employee, and we will select the employee salary also, so we will select e dot salary as salary. And again, what we will do is that we will select all this from a subquery, which will be where we will create the ranking for all the salaries. So we will select star first of all, and we will create a new column called salary rank, and that will be created using dense rank, and it will be over partition by, it will be partitioned by department ID, and it will be ordered by salary in descending order, because we want to print the highest salaries, top 3 highest salaries, and it will be selected as salary rank. Okay, and this will be this inner like a subquery will be selected as E, and we will join this table with the department table, so that we can get the department names. Department D on E dot department ID equal to D dot ID, and we need top 3 salaries per department, so we will keep the salary rank as salary underscore rank is less or equal to 3. So that's it. Let me explain it here. Here we are using dense rank over partition by department ID ordered by salary in descending order to select the to assign a ranking function to salaries within each department, and partition is used to rank salaries as per departments, and then we are filtering salaries which are the top 3 salaries, and finally we are joining it with department table so that we can get the department names. Okay, let me try to run it and check if it works or not. Okay, I think there is some error. Let me check. Okay, here I have not selected any table. It will be from employees table. Employee. Okay, now it can be done. Okay, as we can see here that our code has passed the first test case. Now we will check it for all the test cases in this problem. After submitting the code, we can see that our code has worked for all the test cases. That means all the 21 test cases in this problem. So that's it for today's video. And now we have a list of employees who are high earners, meaning their salary are in top 3 unique amounts in their department. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your SQL loving friends. And you can access the complete playlist of this series in the link that is given in the description. And thanks for watching. See you in next video.